The E900 gaming headset. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the new EKSA E900 gaming headset. This is an inexpensive headset for the gamers out there. This can work on your PS4, Xbox, Mac, PC, and tablets. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get a user guide, a USB cable, a 3.5mm cable with a microphone and audio controls, and a 3.5mm audio tie line. On the side of the box, you have the product specs along with the package contents, as I went over. The headset features a virtual surround sound and decent padding for the headband and earmuffs. You also get a detachable microphone and the controls to toggle it on and off. My initial impressions of the headsets are that it's fairly light. You have the company branding on the top. The band is a leatherette material, and padding is decent all around. It's very soft to the touch. The earmuffs have the left and right ear indicators inside, and the padding on them is soft as well. The cords are exposed on each side, and you also have the indicators on the lower band. As far as the adjustments, you get a decent amount of travel, so this should accommodate a wide range of sizes. It has a thin metal frame. Each side of the headphones have a red LED accent light that will be on when you are gaming. And it has a decent amount of flex. On the left side, you have the various ports. You have the 3.5mm port, USB port, and the microphone port. The microphone is detachable and you can rotate it 360 degrees. The microphone and 3.5mm port has a lock feature mechanism. You can see the image that shows the lock position and the unlock. And it's just a matter of turning it into place. I have the headset coming in at about 252 grams. Having a chance to use it for a few days, the E900 is very comfortable for long periods of time. The sound quality was just right. Mids and highs were pretty balanced, music and voices were clear, and lows were just enough. I had no issues with the microphone, and it worked well. The E900 is a good headset in my opinion, and it will enhance your gaming experience. It works on many platforms and it won't break the bank for those that are seeking an inexpensive headset. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.